Good morning, guys. So today is the fourth day of our lockdown and it's linen day. So yeah, I'm going to be changing the linen and just doing a bit of cleaning. I mean, we clean every day, we sweep, we dust, we wash the dishes, but I'm going to do a proper clean today. It was windy last night, so I need to sweep the balcony, and there's mommy's shoes on the balcony. Caleb must have obviously thrown these. I don't know when, I don't know how. But yeah, it's been windy. We've had rain and stuff, so I'm going to have to really sweep and mop this. And we've had all the monkeys in the balcony. So anyway, it's a beautiful day though. Look at that. Such a stunning view of the dam. It's so crystal clear. It's a gorgeous sight. Everything is so quiet and so still. I guess this is what our planet needs, hey? Oh well, let me get back to changing the linen. There is nothing better than clean sheets. I feel so... Okay, I know my bed isn't made the neatest, but I feel so happy. And I know a lot of people say this, but like I feel so happy when my bed is made and when I have got clean fresh sheets. So you'll see that I change my bedding every week, and one week it's blue and white because of Caleb, and the next week it's pink and white because of Alexia. So yeah, I alternate it. But anyway, I'm a very happy lady because I like fresh clean sheets, and I'm not really one of those that pull the bedding like right down for it to be flat or like ironed out. But this is ironed bedding, it just doesn't look like it. But anyway, I'm happy.
Look, everywhere. Look.
Spotted some monkeys outside. Well, not some, there's a whole lot.
They're so everywhere.
I'm just taking Caleb for like a drive up and down the road.
Sis man.
He's restless.
Sis man.
Don't say that, Pumpkin. And we've just spotted a whole lot of monkeys.
All the nuggets. Where are they?
There they are.
You see? Hey, monkey. Hey, hey.
Can you see?
Hey, hey. I want to see more monkeys. I want to see more monkeys.
We'll see more monkeys just now. Look at all the horses.
They came to play.
Can you see they were grazing?
I know what they're doing.
They're going to probably drink some water and go back into the stables.
Where are they going?
Here
Where
they
came
are.
out?
Can you see?
How they came out? Mommy?
Yes.
Let me see more monkeys. I see rabbits. I see rabbits.
I can see all the horses.
I see them too.
There's the monkeys. There's a whole lot here. We'll see them running now. There they are. Look at the baby one.
Where? Can't see.
You can't see?
Yeah.
You'll see them. There they are. They're all out today, hey?
Let me see.
See, they're all playing there in the trees.
Where?
There. And there's one here.
She's taking the leaf.
Say hello, Mr. Monkey.
Monkey, what are you doing? And the monkey.
Our community centers are also locked during the lockdown. You can see there's some red tape. So everybody's taking extra precaution.
Yeah.
Another community center that's locked and closed off.
Yes, it's do. How got close?
COVID-19 SA lockdown day 4. I've decided to cook some vegetable biryani with brown wild rice, some brown lentils, and yellow pea dal. So for my biryani today, I'm going to add butter beans, fresh carrots, whole garlic, fresh ginger, some thyme, curry leaf, and onions. I'm going to roast some baby potatoes at the oven. I've got some green beans, and then I've got my dry and whole spices. So you can see I've got some fennel seeds, I've got some fennel seeds, some star anise seed, some Kashmiri masala, Bombay masala, and a little bit of chicken masala, as well as what is that? That is dhania powder, and that is garam masala. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my vegetable biryani. Okay, so I've just cut my potatoes in half. I've poked them through. I've sprinkled some turmeric powder over and a bit of oil, and I'm going to roast these in the oven until they are golden on the outside and soft on the inside. So I'm going to braise my onions and dry whole spices in oil and a bit of butter ghee. I've got my garlic, whole spices, fresh thyme, curry leaf, all braising nicely. I've added in my veggies and I'm going to let it braise for about 20 to 25 minutes before I add my rice. This looks so scrumptious. My vegetable biryani with brown rice and lentils, some yellow dal and crushed chili pickle. We're going to get fat during this 21-day lockdown.